Hi traders, today is 18th of February 2020. We are now live the trading WTI crude oil market, April contract 2020. So in this video, I'll show you how I do the trading for US session based from my paradox setup. So we just received an epic trade signal a while ago. Okay, so this is the signal where I sent out, which is to buy long at 51.36. Should edit this one. Stop loss at 51.23 and TP target is 48 for the first TP, and then second TP is 51.53, or you can exit in between. So at this moment we still not yet fill from our current position, so we're still waiting for it to get filled, and maybe we can move to the upper side. So let's wait and see whether this. Please watch this video till the end, and so there's maybe you can see a good trade during this video. So there's a link below in the description. Feel free to click on it. Perhaps might be helpful for you guys in your trading. So there's a link also to my private Telegram channel for live signal. So please enjoy this video. We'll resume back later on. It seems like the market haven't yet filled our order and now start to moving to the downside. So let's hope it will turn back. If not, then we have to find another entry. So the lowest for today is 51.15. So there's a high tendency for the market to reach to 51.00. So which is has very high volume waiting here at 51.02 and 51.00. So this both price level is quite important. There's a quite strong demand down there, and at this one we are on the bullish signal. So let's hope to get another signal, or to find or to fill for the first signal we have during the epic session. So time now is 9:20 a.m. New York time. So we are about 20 minutes after the market open for US session, and normally we already close our position during this time, but for today still a bit late. Have to wait patiently. Okay guys, the order already filled after the short candle here. So suddenly the next candle turn to for the bullish movement. So at this moment we are -3 as a start for this trade. So the targeted price level at 51.50. So I'm queuing at that price level. So although we have published the TP targeted 51.48, and also the TP extension is 51.53. So I will queue in between at 51.50. Alright, hopefully the price remain bullish. So it was a good one. So we are plus 3 ticks, just now -3 ticks, and there's a link below in description. Please click on it. Maybe it might be helpful for you guys in your trading for crude oil, especially for US session. So hopefully this one will be a quick one. The target is to exit the market as fast as we could, maybe below 1 minute or few seconds, or sometimes 3 to 4 minutes, or sometimes 10 minutes. And let's hope this will be a good trade. So please watch till the end. Hopefully this can be a good indication for you guys who trading day trade during US session and take a daily salary during from the trading activity. So looks so good at this moment. Not so good. Plus 2 ticks. The highest is plus 3 ticks and plus 4 ticks. And let's wait. Let's take a look on the volume, whether there will be interesting volume. So there's a high volume waiting at 51.54. So if you are queuing at 51.53, also it's good one. I'm queuing at 51.50. Hopefully you can reach there. There's a higher side of 51.60. Okay, so now we are 5 ticks, $50. So come next candle, hopefully it will penetrate to the higher price movement very fast. Let's be patient. Okay guys, looks good at this moment. Okay, 120, almost hit the TP price of 51.50. So this will be a good one. Okay, we did hit the and now it goes faster high. So both TP from this 48 or 53 both hit. So it was a good trade. This from my epic trade strategy. So there's a link below in description. Just click on the epic trade strategy or get my live signal. It was how I do the trading every day for US session in crude oil market. So let's take a look how long this trade taking. So we did enter the trade at 10:27 and exit at 10:31. So it should be around, sorry, this one is 10:28, 10:31. So 3 minutes. This was a quick one. 3 minutes for 150, or sorry, 140 US dollar. Where's my, okay, 140 US dollar. So I think that's all for today. Thank you for watching, and that's it. We're done, and we continue again tomorrow. Thank you. Bye bye. Just by the way, don't forget to subscribe this channel, share or like, share, comment below, and click the link in the description. Thank you. Bye bye.